This is the second laptop I buy last night and then I buy today, okay? Another day, okay? Last night and today, this is our content, just to make content to buy a 2 laptop yesterday and today, okay? This is our content and the vlog for tonight, for today, this morning, or this afternoon, sorry. So before I pick up the important person, so I need to test this inside the mall with free Wi-Fi, okay? So this is how to unboxing the laptop, okay? For safety, okay? It got it by utility knives, okay? I wanna test this quickly. Okay, this is another brand new laptop, okay? So this is our vlog for today because we have no choice, okay? I think this is the good for a change vlog and content, okay? Before I go in this mall, okay? Because I'm very bored, so I use my money just to make happy, okay? I need to inspire myself, so I buy something instead, shoes again or clothes, because I have a lots of brand new clothes, okay? Then one reason is I'm bored, okay? That's it, okay? So for now, this is our content to make a blog. Even it's expensive to create a new business. If I'm bored in this product, I will sell it or I will use it, okay? This is my third personal laptop. One is the Lenovo, okay? The Lenovo Type by Kobe Bryant, okay? This is my third, okay? It's a Windows 11, okay? It's a computer, not a Chrome. It's different if a Chrome. I'm not compatible. It's not a board. It's a board, okay? So Intel inside, Windows 11, Acer. Yeah. See, it's totally new. What time is it? It's shopping time, okay? Just to set up this before I use it. So the time is running fast instead waiting for nothing, okay?